Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear fellow human beings. Today we are diving into LATEEF. LATEEF, he is the most delicate, fine, gentle, beautiful one. He is the one who knows the finest details of beauty. He is the maker of a delicate beauty and the bestower of beauty upon his servants. For he is Al-Jameel, all beautiful. Al-Lateef, the finest of his beauties are hidden in the secrets of the beauties of the soul, the mind, wisdom, the divine light. He contains the minutest details of a divine puzzle where all things fit into each other. The fetus fit within the mother's womb, the pearl within the oyster, the fine silk within the silkworm, the honey in the bee, and in the heart of the human being, the knowledge of Allah Himself. But a heart that does not contain the beautiful light of knowing Allah, like a bee without honey, becomes a hornet with a poisonous stinger, stinging whoever comes close by. Open the eyes of your heart and look hard to see the manifestation of Al-Lateef. Sometimes it is a fine, delicate mist of quietude within turbulence of worldly activity. Sometimes it is a gentle blessing within His harsh punishment. Happy are those who can see, because for them there is no doubt, anxiety, or hopelessness. So my dear, who is Abdul Lateef? Abdul Lateef is the one whose finer inner eye is open to see the inner beauty in all. Thus, he receives beauty himself and relates to all creation beautifully, rendering it beautiful. He points out to the believers the infinite blessings Allah pours upon His creation and leads them to gratefulness, to thankfulness. He is gentle, beautiful in words and in actions. His efforts are like the rain in spring. Wherever they fall, things flower. Like the sunshine, He enlightens every corner of people's life. To recite Ya Lateef 429 times may help if one is depressed and stressed. If one made it a habit to recite Allahu Lateef, Allah is gentle with His servants. He sustains whomsoever He wills, and He is the strong, the mighty. 9 times every day, it would lead to an easier and happier day if Allah so will. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you ease on every path you walk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.